Now the next technique is seafood and inspire. This is called the lobster. Is it the lobster climb? Yeah, the lobster climb. Okay, or crab climb, whatever. Anyway, this is what we're gonna do. Working on the same line. Okay, we're gonna place our fingers and our thumb as if it's a lobster climb. From the lower back, we're gonna raise ourselves up, pressing down, working the line. Same, rocking. Make sure that our shoulder is above our hand technique, so we can pull our body weight gradually onto the technique, and the person will feel this gradual progression, pouring weight. Open up your clamp slightly bigger to work the other lines. And expand your finger even further to work the third line. See, this technique will save your thumb and give you another alternative to work the energy lines as well.